Here's how to fix challenge required on Instagram. Now, if you open up Instagram and you see something that looks like this, it might say error challenge required. I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing that we do is if we have Instagram open and you keep getting that message, the easiest thing that you can do is just swipe up and close out of that app and open it again. See, by basically just closing it out and opening it again, maybe that fixes the error. Sometimes it could just be a bug in that version of it, and just by closing it down and opening it again, it should fix it. Now, the next thing that we'll do is we'll hop out of here, open up the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android, and we're just gonna search for Instagram, because potentially there's a bug or glitch in there. And if it says update right next to Instagram, just update to the latest version so that you can check to see if that challenge required is because there is a bug in the app. So if it's fixed in a newer version, you just update your app and then you should be good to go. Now, the next thing that we're gonna do is hop into our settings, scroll down, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. Now this shows you every single app that's on your phone, and there's Instagram. Let's tap on it, and we're just gonna offload this app and then reinstall it. By doing this process, again, this helps to fix any kind of bugs or glitches in the app itself. If you go through all of these steps and it's still not working, it still has that challenge required, there are a few other things we can do as well. Once this loads, we'll open it up and tap on your profile at the bottom right, and the three lines at the top right. And then we'll tap on settings and privacy and just scroll down to the bottom, and we will log out of your account and just log back in. Again, this a lot of times fixes any kind of bugs or glitches in the Instagram app, just logging out and then logging right back in, and it should be good to go. If you do all of this stuff and you're still running into issues, the last thing I recommend doing is just shaking your phone like this and it says, did something go wrong? And you can hit report a problem and just explain exactly the problem that you're having, the challenge required problem, and they should get back to you and fix your Instagram app so that you can use it as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.